Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Authenticator app when it's not showing codes or login prompts. This problem is usually caused by notification permissions, time sync issues, or battery optimization blocking the app, so let's walk through the fixes one by one. First, you need to make sure the app actually has permission to send notifications. On Android, just long press the Microsoft Authenticator icon, tap the Info button, open Notifications, and turn on the option to allow notifications. On iPhone, open Settings, scroll down to Authenticator, tap Notifications, and make sure notifications are enabled. If notifications are blocked, the app simply won't show approval requests. The next thing to check is your device's date and time settings. If your phone's clock is even slightly out of sync, Microsoft Authenticator won't generate the correct codes. On Android, open Settings, go to General Management, open Date and Time, and turn on Automatic Date and Time. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, Date and Time, and switch on Set Automatically. Once your phone is synced correctly, the codes usually start showing instantly. If you're on Android, there's one more thing that can cause this issue: battery optimization. Some phones stop the app from running in the background. Just open the Microsoft Authenticator app, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, and select Turn Off Battery Optimization. When the pop-up appears, choose Allow. This makes sure the app can stay active and receive verification requests. That's all you need to do to get Microsoft Authenticator working again. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.